morning. So far so good, as the New Year's first day gain could get spilled over into today's session. The trigger is slightly better manufacturing PMI data. But the advance may not be sustainable if some of the pressure points like widening deficit for India and Euro area debt crisis don't get addressed quickly. The RBI's policy meet later this month will be an important event. Before that, markets will have to digest the latest statistics on IIP and inflation. The earnings season will also kick off shortly. Infosys results are due on January 12th. Politics has yet again triumphed over economics, especially with the state elections around the corner. State-owned oil companies have deferred a hike in oil prices. Reliance Industries could be in focus based on a couple of news. Near-term resistance on the NSE Nifty is likely to be between 4,700 to 4,800, while support might come around 4,500. A move past 4,725 could extend the current uptrend. European markets closed higher, Asian markets are on a firm wicket, US markets were shut, Japanese and Chinese markets remained closed. Debt auctions in the Eurozone coupled with the US jobs data will be closely watched. Also keep an eye on the ongoing US-Iran tussle and the upcoming meeting of German and French leaders. The FIIs were net sellers of Rs 938.7 million in cash segment on Monday according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutional institutions were net buyers of Rs 843.4 million. The FIIs were net sellers of Rs 1.42 billion in the F&O segment on Monday according to the NSE data. The foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 868 million in the cash segment on Friday as per the SEBI data. Moving on to our recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we recommend buying Tata Steel above Rs 342 with stop loss of Rs 332 and for the target price of Rs 362. We recommend going short on Lupin January futures between Rs 440 to Rs 444 with stop loss of Rs 450 and for the target price of Rs 423. Our derivative strategy for the day is long Tata Power January futures between Rs 88 to 89 for target price of Rs 94 and a stop loss placed at Rs 86. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.